नासिक इज़ 122 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम योर। है नहीं, आराम से जाएंगे। दिस इज़ द फेमस ढाबा, भिवंडी ढाबा। बहुत सारे बाइकर्स आते हैं यहाँ पे, चिल करते हैं। आई हैव टू विजिट वंस, आई हैव नॉट गॉन ओवर देयर, सो आई शुड ट्राई वंस विद माय फ्रेंड्स। सुना है बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है वहाँ पे। Vajreshwari left, Nasik State. Take this left for Vajreshwari. Quick update guys, time is 11:45 AM, cruising on 100. Not in a hurry, we are going like 80-90 kilometers per hour. Straight highways we can go beyond 100, but I don't want to take any risk. Welcome back. So I've reached the hotel. Actually I reached in the morning, but I couldn't update because I went for the shoot right away after coming to the hotel. This is the room which I am staying. Quite good, right? I'm transferring my files. Quick room tour I'll give you. This is the cupboard, decent enough. Oyo, toiletries, towel. This is the washroom, decent enough, right? Decent washroom. And this is the room which I will be staying.